The thing that makes the IKO commercial facilities the best they are is the communication, the problem solving, the attention to detail. There's a team effort to make the product the best we can make it. Our commercial products are being used in several applications: roofing, building envelope, waterproofing. We try to offer the customer and the contractor everything that they will ever need to complete a commercial roof.
The people at IKO Commercial are there to be the eyes and ears of the customer. They're able to inspect the quality by touching it, feeling it, measuring it, so that the customer gets exactly what they expected.
Our end customer is looking for confidence in specifying IKO from the design side, confidence in installing a high quality product on site, and confidence in support with IKO before, during, and after the sale.
We run 4 separate production lines at this facility, producing over 150 different products: sand and film covered base sheets, granulated cap sheet, as well as several specialty products. More than 3.5 million items are shipped out of this facility on an annual basis.
IKO really focuses on quality. There's always something new, something in the pipeline, something to push you and drive you.
Our strive for safety and quality, in combination with our extensive knowledge for commercial roofing industry, gives us an edge to confidently provide our customers with top quality products and exceptional service both before and after sale.